This is Roy Elliott with Roy Elliott Art and Customs, and welcome back to another video. Today we are not talking about painting Air Force Ones. Today we are not going to be talking about Will Smith slapping the fire out of Chris Rock. We ain't going to talk about that at all. Today, we are actually going to solve a problem, okay? Not only for customizers like myself, but for all creators. If you are on TikTok, if you are on Instagram, and if you are on YouTube and want to record a YouTube video while being live on TikTok and live on Instagram, building up your whole community one time with one take, I suggest that you tune in to this video right here, because we're gonna do that, and we're gonna do it for less than $100. So let's get into the video. Splickety splat. With all the different social media platforms, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, subscribe to my channel, follow me this place, follow me that place. Man, it's just hard to keep up. So I searched all over the web, all over YouTube, and could not find how to record a YouTube video while going live on TikTok and on Instagram, and only shooting one video, one take, one time. Tell me, I cannot be the only one that looked this up. I've been seeing a whole lot of creators like myself having the same problem. If you desire to be live on TikTok or live on Instagram while recording a YouTube video, that's a problem. Now, the idea was for my Canon 80D to record my YouTube channels while being live on TikTok and possibly being live on Instagram all at the same time. So that means I needed two cell phones, which was my iPhone 13 and my iPhone XR. So that means that I needed a camera cage with multiple threads that could hold two cell phones without falling. Also, a microphone and maybe some lights if I was in a dark area. Next, I needed two cell phone mounts. They needed to be metal as well. Your boy gotta protect his investments. Now, one of the most important things was to have multiple threads as well. I gotta have options. Now, it's time to put this thing together. I needed two 1/4 screws for the camera mounts. Now, don't get it twisted. I am not mechanically inclined, but I think this gonna hold up. Oh snap. I don't know what this is called, but I do know that you're supposed to tighten up your screws with it. So that's what I'm gonna do. After I knew that the screws was on tight, I guess my next issue was this going to scratch my camera? I hope that there was enough room. I'm going to tighten it up, but I ain't going to tighten it up too much because I'm still a little bit concerned if I'm going to have enough room for my camera. But I don't think it's going nowhere. It won't fall or nothing. Let's get the top on. Well, here's the moment of truth. Let's see if the camera fit. Yeah, that's money. It worked. Let me get this tightened up a little bit. And we rolling. Now, I'm gonna tell you, I'm really happy about this camera mount that I bought. It has like a spring action, but we're gonna talk about it a little bit later. My main concern was just making sure that the iPhone didn't fall on the ground. Man, I just got this. Even though Apple will come out with an iPhone every other day, I'm still gonna be mad. Let me lock it up. Yeah, it's on there. It's secure. This thing is not gonna fall. My only concern was, would the camera lens get in the way while I was on the live? But TikTok has a zoom option where I don't think it's going to be a problem at all. Let's go. Now, I told you that I really like this mount because it makes me feel secure in putting all of my cell phones in this mount. If you pay attention, there are 2 locks on this mount. So this camera is not going to fall. Now, let's get to the lights. There's a shoe mount that fits perfectly on the right or the left side. Man, this thing works. I think I'm satisfied. Now, if I wanted to, I could put a quick release on it or even put it on a slider. Overall, is this a good build? Yeah, I think so. Can it be improved? Absolutely. If you have any suggestions on what I could have did better, let me know in the comments. But for now, this works. I definitely would not want to hold it for more than 5 or 10 minutes at a time because it's definitely heavy. I weighed it and it weighed about 3 pounds. Now, what I could suggest is maybe getting an additional cell phone and cutting out the camera, or getting a lighter camera like maybe a Sony A7 or something like that. Something that might be a little bit lighter than a Canon. But if you got value from watching this video, or you want to become a better customizer or better creator, hey, listen, like, comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. We gone. Let's go.